All right, so we're on to our next video. This video, we're talking about cleansing, detoxing, or what we call in the Caribbean, cleaning out. All right, now there are four channels of elimination. So you're talking about your bowels, your kidneys, your lungs, and your skin. So you're talking about stooling, urinating, breathing, and sweating, right? So these are what we're going to be focused on. These organs are critical to the removal of toxins from your body system, and you need to support them when it comes to their functioning to enhance your natural detoxification, of course. And this helps to promote optimal health. So, in order for us to do that, we do it by two things I want to talk about. One, I want to talk about the type of juice we use because I tend to use juices that are not very sweet. They're cucumber based. We do them with things like celery, parsley, green Granny Smith apples, ginger, lemon. We do different combinations of those things, but those are the focus, and cucumber is the base of them. We want it to be alkaline, we want it to be powerful, we want it to be hydrating so it can really get the toxins moving and it can nourish your body at the same time. So it's twofold. But then the amount of time you take to do the cleanse. So we do different cleanses, but to tell the honest, different times. But to tell the honest truth, um, what I would like to see optimally is a 10-day cleanse 4 times a year. That's really what I would like to see. So with the change in the seasons, you do 10 days, you really optimize your cleanse and you move forward from there. And it's something that you do as part of your yearly rituals. Okay, we are dealing with a lot of chemicals, a lot of things in the atmosphere, in our foods, and it is something that we need to regularly move out of our system. And I start with a cleanse, that type of juice. But our protocol at the clinic, we do shots as well. So they're little 2 ounce shots of, we do a aloe limeade, we do a flu shot, and we do a kombucha shot. So the aloe limeade is very good at softening up any compacted stuff in there. Um, really clearing out some of the mucoid plaque. And the flu shot is more to build your immune system. And the kombucha comes later, where it starts to embed some of those good bacteria from a natural source. And then we do two herbal teas. One is to really clean the liver and blood, and the other one is to soften up and get out compacted stuff in your bowels. Okay, so this is important. It's important for your gut health to really focus in on using your kombucha. Kombucha is a fermented tea that is rich in probiotics. We make it ourselves. So we use, I do the most famous one I do is a sorrel kombucha. Sorrel is also very good for your blood pressure. It's strengthening of the heart, good for your blood system. And fermented, now you're talking about good probiotics that support your gut health. We're using brown sugar for the SCOBY. SCOBY loves brown sugar. So this is healthy bacteria that balances your microbiome and improves your digestion. So you're coming out of the cleanse feeling a lot better. Your bowel movements would regulate, and you need to just picture yourself really getting into this. You're talking about no food for those 3, 5, 7, 10 days. So we do have levels in terms of our courses, and as you level up and you get to master's level, you can do 7 days. We have a champion one where you do the 10 4 times a year. Okay, so there are different levels. Just to make it easier, you usually start with a 3 day one. And like I told you, the herbal teas, we are focusing in on the liver and blood one and the bowel flush, which really helps to support that cleanse. And I think this is a really good protocol. But overall, one of the things that is extremely important, because you're only doing liquids for these 3 days or 5 days or 7 days, whichever one you choose. Um, is hydration. Hydration is very important to detoxifying the skin. It's essential in that detoxification. So You can do your teas, you can do your juices, your shots, you can do coconut water, spring water if it's necessary. But these keep your skin hydrated and really support elimination through sweating. But at the end of the day, doing it with other people is also vital. So doing it in a supportive environment where you can be accountable, where you have like-minded people, that's the wellness warriors. So join the wellness warriors and be part of the change.